English Prepositions Quiz. There will be 25 prepositions in total. For each preposition 10 seconds are given. Let's get started. We arrived the airport 2 hours early. The snake slid quietly the rocks. He traveled Europe last summer. The teacher is standing the students. We discussed the topic class. I got a message my school email. We stopped a small town for lunch. I forgot my book the table again. The birds flew the sky in circles. She is interested history. He was leaning the wall. She was sitting friends. Take your shoes off. He works a teacher. Come here dinner. Travel car. She went out the rain. Walk the street. He slept the movie. Everyone came Tom. Which phrase means despite the difficulties? What does prior to mean? Choose the phrase meaning because of. Which phrase means instead of? What does with regard to mean? How many of them did you guess right? Let us know in the comment section.